Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 10.4. So let's start. Question number 5. So question number 5 is given here: divide a cube plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1 by a square plus a plus 1. So what to do? You have to divide this expression by this. So that will be a cube plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1, and here it will be a square plus a plus 1. So which number you have to multiply with a square to get a cube? That will be nothing but a. So a into a square, this will be a cube. A into a, that will be a square. A into 1, that will be a happen. Now the sign will be changed. So this is minus, minus, minus. So a cube will be cancelled out. And if you subtract 2a square minus a square, that will be a square happen. And if you subtract 2a minus a, that will be a happen. So plus 1. Now which number you have to multiply with a square to get a square? That will be nothing but 1. So this 1 you have to multiply all of this number. So this will be a square into 1. So this will be a square happen. If you multiply a into 1, that will be a happen. And if you multiply 1 into 1, that will be 1 happen. Now change the sign. This is minus, minus, and minus. And these numbers will be cancelled out. So our quotient is a plus 1 and the remainder is 0. Now go to question number 6. So question number 6 is given here: if area of a rectangle is 8x square minus 45y square plus 18xy and one of each side is 4x plus 15y, find the length of the adjacent side. So we know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth, length into breadth. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So this time area is given and one side is given. Suppose length is given. So you have to find out the breadth of the rectangle. So what to do? So you know that B is equal to A divided by L happen. Because L is in this side is multiplicative way. If this L go to that side, this will be division happen. So write down those things which are given. Area of the rectangle is 8x square minus 45y square plus 18xy, and one side is given four x plus 15y. How you will get the other side? You have to divide this side, this area by this side. So that will be 4x plus 15y, and here it is 8x square minus 45y square plus 18xy. So which number you have to multiply to this to get 8x square, that will be nothing but 2x. So if you multiply this number with 2x, you will get here 8x square. And if you multiply 15y into 2x, it will be 30xy. So this 30xy you have to put below of this 18xy. Now do the subtraction. This 8x square will be cancelled out, and minus 45y square will be comes down, and if you subtract these two, you will get here minus 12xy. Now which number you have to multiply to this number to get 12xy, because y will not come here. Which number you have to multiply to 4x to get 12xy, minus 12xy actually, so that will be minus 3y. So if you multiply this number with minus 3y, what you will get here? Plus minus, it will be minus 12xy, and if you multiply these two number, plus minus, it will be minus 45y square. Now sign will be changed. Here it will be plus, here it will be plus. Now this number will be cancelled out, and the remainder is 0. So the other side is, therefore the other side is 2x minus 3y. So in this way you can solve left of the problem in this exercise. Thank you everyone.